Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix data insights from SEMrush. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your SEMrush account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Projects section. Select the project for which you want to fix data insights. Scroll down to the Analytics Reports area. Look for any errors or inconsistencies in the data presented. If you notice any discrepancies, click on the specific report to view more details. Review the date range selected for your data insights. Ensure the date range aligns with your analysis requirements. If the chosen range is incorrect, adjust it by using the Date Picker feature. After updating the date range, check if the data reflects accurately. Next, focus on the data source you're using for your insights. Navigate to the Organic Research or Traffic Analytics section as needed. Check if your target keywords are set up correctly in the project settings. If any keywords are missing or incorrect, add or update them. Now, return to your Data Insights dashboard and refresh the page. Monitor any changes in the analytics data that appear. If issues persist, consider running a new site audit. Go to the Site Audit section and initiate a fresh crawl. Once the crawl is complete, return to your insights. Examine any new data that has been generated. If you still face problems, contact SEMrush support for further assistance. Document specific issues you're encountering to expedite the support process. After troubleshooting, make a note of any permanent fixes or changes needed. Stay proactive by regularly checking your data insights for accuracy. This will help you maintain reliable analytics moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.